A single second might not feel very long at all, but a lot can happen around the world in that short time. If we look to the cosmos, there's a ton of stuff happening in space every second. 4,800 stars will be born, and 30 stars will implode into a supernova every second. While that's happening, the universe itself will expand 9.2 miles in 1 second. Meanwhile, in 1 second, satellites orbiting the Earth will collect 13.4 square miles of imagery. A single second on Earth is nearly as busy as a second in space. Every second, 16 million liters of water will evaporate from the Earth. Lightning will strike Earth 100 times a second. 34 trees are cut down in rainforests every second. In just a single second, more than 1,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide will be released into the atmosphere from the burning of fossil fuels. More than 90,000 pounds of garbage is created around the world every second, including 216 pounds of food waste every second in the US alone. 75 McDonald's burgers are eaten, and more than 10,000 Coca-Colas are consumed every second. How much money do you think is made every second? Probably more than you think. Bill Gates earns $250 US every single second. In the next second, Nike will earn $600 US, while a Nike factory worker will earn 0.0024 cents every second. $50,000 is donated to charity every second, but the US national debt will also increase by $50,000 each second. 1 second, hearts around the world will beat a combined 8.3 billion times. In the next second, 4.3 babies will be born around the world, and 1.7 of those babies will be born into poverty every single second. 1.8 people will die in the next second, but 25,000 people will have an orgasm every second, so at least there's some good news. Okay, so outer space and planet Earth may be busy every second, but what happens on the internet in the next second? Almost 2.5 million emails are sent every second. On top of that, 486,000 new WhatsApp messages are sent in a single second. 1 single second sees 469 Facebook likes and over 4,000 new pictures uploaded to Facebook. 9.4 new websites are created every second. In a single second, 3 million Google searches are performed, and every single second, 372 people will search for, you guessed it, porn. So what'll happen to you in the next second? Well, your heart will pump 0.07 liters of blood, and you'll experience 100,000 chemical reactions in your body in just the next second. Your brain will process a whopping 10 million bits of visual information in a single second, and a single neuron can send up to 1,000 nerve impulses every single second. Your bone marrow will produce more than 2 million new red blood cells in the next second. Your kidneys will filter 0.02 liters of blood every second. To accomplish all those amazing feats and more, your body will use 97 joules of energy in just a single second.